Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Cluster. Cluster means group of similar things or people. For example, clusters of creamy white flowers. Clusters of creamy white flowers. Synonyms: bunch, clump, collection.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Many environmental factors may stimulate cluster root formation. Now, repeat after me. Many environmental factors may stimulate cluster root formation. The second exempli. This shrub bears clusters of white flowers in the spring. Now, repeat after me. This shrub bears clusters of white flowers in the spring. The third exempli. Blooms appeared in long clusters of densely packed white flowers. Now, repeat after me. Blooms appeared in long clusters of densely packed white flowers.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the royal coat of arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.